So let's just talk about how we can create script in Postman. So first of all, let's go to our user workspace. Now inside our workspace, we can create script in different levels. So we can create our script at the collection level. So if we click on collection, so here you can see we have pre-request script. So the script will right here will be executed before the request, and we have the test script. So this script will be executed after the request, and this is at the collection level. And also if we create one folder inside that collection, so if we click on this folder, at the folder level we can have our pre-request script and also the test script. And also we can have script for every individual request also. So if we click on this delete user request, so here we can have our pre-request script. This will be executed before the call. And also we have test script. So this will be executed after the request. So here you can see we have some snippets. So we can add get a variable script. So this will get a value of this variable. Similarly also we can have set a variable, and also we can clear global variable, and also we can add script that will check the status code of the response. So this is the way we can create script in Postman. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.